We're on Reddit right now, and this guy asks, is 1,500 an enough budget to run Facebook ads for a home improvement company in Los Angeles? Is it realistic to get at least one project from this ad spend? Right? So this is the question he has, and I'm gonna give him an answer. It could go yes, it could go no. So let me show what I mean. Okay, so this guy is selling home improvement services. He has for the whole month 1,500 to spend on ads, which means that he's gonna spend around 50 per day, right? 50 per day, and he's selling, as far as I understand, a service that is a high ticket. So home improvement, this could cost quite a lot. It could be like a very, very pricey if it's like repair or whatever. So I think this guy has a lot of potential. So I'm gonna help you run the numbers. Let's say the cost per click for this type of campaign, he spent around $5 to $10 for people to click on this ad. I know this for you might seem high, but he's advertising in Los Angeles, which is like one of the most expensive places in the world to run ads because this place is bombarded with ads. So I would say $5 to $10 would be the click. The way this guy does it at the moment, he's running a net. As far as I get it, he's running that to a lead form where he asks about name, he asks about phone number, and after that he calls people on the phone from 1 to 3 hours. This is supposed to be a phone. I think I did a decent job drawing the phone. Okay, okay, so this is a phone. So basically, this is the funnel this guy is running. So with this type of funnel, if he's clicking, if let's say, if the cost per click costs $10, and if his lead converts, his form convert at 10%, right? Here's what's gonna happen. He's spending $10 per click. Yeah. So that means for the whole month, he's gonna send 150 clicks to his page, right? 150 people will go to this little form. So 150 people will go to this little form. If this form converts at 10%, which is, it depends, it could go more, it could go less. He's gonna end up talking to 15 people if I do the numbers right. So 15 people he'll talk to. And if he's very good in sales, he'll be able to close some deals, right? But there is something wrong with this approach, and I'm gonna share my thoughts on this approach. I believe he's gonna end up talking to a lot of non-qualified people because he's sending the traffic to a lead form. So the way I would do it, I would change it slightly. I would run an ad, right? I would send the ad to a landing page, and the landing page will be super detailed. I'll explain pretty much as I can about the home improvement service, right? So it's a home improvement service. I'll share what are the benefits, who is this for, etc., etc. And then my call to action on this page would be to call us, right? So instead of like us calling the people, we're reversing it. We're having the people call us. And I prefer this approach because it's a lot more less hands off, I believe, because you don't have to dial, you don't have to do all the, you just need to pick up the phone. I know it sounds like a very small tweak, but just think about having like 1,000 calls per month. It's gonna make a huge difference. And so after the people start calling him, he's gonna have calls, right? Let's say the conversion rate is exactly the same. Let's say 150 people will visit this page, it will convert in 10%, and he's gonna talk to 15 people, right? If he does a very good job at framing the people on the landing page, people will be already sold on the idea. So in my opinion here, regardless, the conversion rate is pretty much the same. he'll be able to close a lot more deals, right? He'll be able to close a lot more deals. And I believe there is a very, very, very good reason why you wanna have people call you, and why you wanna do a page that preframes people, right? People will have a much higher purchase intent. And I truly believe that with 1,500 per month, you could do plenty if you're running ads. So imagine if you are running 1,500 per month for 12 months, right? And you have like all the way until 12 months. So you're going to get a lot of data for this type of time. You're going to figure out a lot of things such as the seasonality of your service. For example, in January, you might get just one job because it's January and people don't want to do home improvement. However, in May, you might get 10 jobs, right? But if you're not consistent with the ad spend, you won't you won't close 10 clients. So being consistent with your ad spend is extremely, extremely important. So this is my idea. What do I think about 1,500 per days for agencies, service businesses, local businesses? I think this is a great way to start a campaign. This means you're spending like $50 per day, and if you don't spend $50 per day to advertise your business, I'm not sure what you're doing right. A lot of people actually spend $1,500 per month on dinner. A lot of people spend $1,500 for a car payment. But when it comes to like spending $1,500 for your own personal business, and somehow it's a lot, but like for a car payment, it's totally fine. So think about it. 1,500 is a great budget to start if you live in the USA, UK, Australia. For example, right now I'm running ads for my own business, and I think with a budget of around 50 to 100 a day, 50 to 100 a day, I think I average around 70 to $70 per day. I managed to book like, I don't know, maybe like, I would say 20 to 30 calls, and I managed to get like 2 clients. And for the whole month, I spent around, so it's gonna be a little bit less than 3K, right? I do it. Why shouldn't you do it? I also work with like a lot of agencies and service businesses, and I help them get high ticket clients. So if this is something that you want to do, make sure you click the links in the description below. You can reach me out, and you can see if I can help you get clients for your service business or your agency business. This is Niko. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you comment. I'm doing a YouTube video marketing challenge. I'm publishing a video a day. Right now it's August 10th, and I'll be doing this until the end of the year, and probably I'll continue. So if you want to follow my progress, if you want to follow how my channel grows, make sure you subscribe, yo. And thank you for watching. Bye.